Hi, I'm Lori Palm, and this is
Wes Hamilton.
And we have just launched a brand new program called Pivot Your Destiny. And we want to tell you a little bit about why we decided to do this, because I'm guessing that you've probably have been in the same experiences. It will be different, but as we were. So this started back in January 2020. And of course, 2020 has been quite the year. I think we can all agree on that. Back in January, we went to Mexico for my birthday, a big birthday. And it was the first time I was ever warm on my birthday. It was so wonderful.
Outside, right?
Outside, yes. So we spent 2 weeks. We were on vacation. We did not bring computers or anything. I think I had my iPad and our phones, of course. Well, as what usually happens to us when we go places is we meet interesting people, because that's always one of our intentions. And we had some amazing business opportunities come up that we were able to talk to people about. And what we realized was we were not ready. I'd been saying for years, I want to take Core Passion to the world, but we were not ready. Everything was on my computer at home. I didn't have anything in the cloud. And so we realized we had to pivot. So we came home and we started to do that. And then, of course, COVID hit in March.
Big pivot. Big
pivot.
So I started looking at the numerology, because that's where I go when things change. And the numerology was indicating we were in a lifestyle change. 2020 was about structures and plans, and some were being torn down all around us. Things were broken. And so I looked forward into 2021. It's like, oh my gosh, we're going to have a hard time finding a normal. There is no normal. We're going to have to find a new normal. We need to pivot. And we thought, geez, we've been doing this most of our life, pivoting, and we did have a process in place. We just never had it written down. So we took a program we've been teaching for about 12 years and applied our pivot process to it. It's really a fun program. It's very easy and gets you to where you want to be. So we created this program, and it's right in line with the numerology timing. You'll be prepared and ready to go in 2021 as you pivot. You probably have to pivot several times, because there is no straight lines anymore, at least for 2021. So we're looking forward to having you with us. There's a short window opening up for a few days, and it's open now. And Laurie, where would they go to find that window?
So you can go to corepassion.com, corepassion.com, and click on Pivot, and you'll be able to read all about the program. Now registration is only open until through Tuesday, November 17th. So go to Core Passion and check it out. And you can also watch a little bit longer video about Wes's forecast for 2021.
Yeah.
And the theme for 2021 is Pivot Your Destiny. So we hope to see you on this adventure with us.
Yeah, come and join us.